We'll be discussing how to make a luxury Spreadshop website today. So, if you have a store with Spreadshop and you want to learn how to redesign the site so that it will look professional, this guide is for you. So, follow me as I put you through on the steps you need to take to get the results you want. Okay, first thing first, open your web browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome. Then visit spreadshop.com. On landing on this page, click on Login. Then select your marketplace, that's your shop's location. Okay, so in my own case, my shop is located in Europe, so I'll go with this option and then I will sign in. Okay, once you sign in successfully, you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. So it's time for us to start redesigning our shop. Okay, then get to this section, you will see this tab here. It is called the shop tab. So click on it. Now this gives you the preview of how your website looks currently. Okay. If you have not done anything on this shop before and you migrated from YouTube to this shop, you will see a different interface showing the data you have on your YouTube channel. Okay, you can even describe here, you can even have the description of a content or your YouTube channel. So, meaning that is an error, you have to change some things. So, let's get started with that. So, click on General, then click on Info and SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Okay, here you have to have the name of your store. So here, the name of my store is Godwin Tech, which is the same thing as my YouTube channel. Then here you have to describe your store. Okay, so I have not done that. This is pulled from my YouTube channel, so I'm going to describe it. So describe what your store is all about, what you sell, the reason why it is existing. Okay, so here I'm done describing my store. It states God Intake offers quality products that meet the need of different genders. Okay, whether you are a male or female, our products cut across women and men t-shirts, unisex wears, hoodies, babies and kids wears, mugs, caps, and bags. We also sell custom stickers, children lunch bras, drawstring bags, and other quality products. So, describe what your shop is all about so that search engines like Google and Bing can easily pick it when people search for related things. Okay, then here you can see the site URL Godwin Tech IE. Okay, so if you want something different at the end, click here and select something different. So you can see the preview https forward slash double slash Godwin Tech dot myspreadshop.ie. So if you copy this and send to someone, that once you click on it, that is how he or she will get to your store. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, look at how it will appear on search engine. All right. So that is that for this section. So once you update every information you want to have here, click on save for every changes to be saved. So let's get back. So that's what we need to change in this general information section, general settings section. This section, legal, your legal information contains your detail. The activate shop, okay, or activate shop. If you have not activated your shop before, this is where you go to activate it, okay? And if you want to deactivate it, that is, if you want to delete it, just click on delete the shop and follow the on-screen guide, okay? So if you want to go offline, just click here. All right, so but here I'm okay with how it is online. So I don't want to delete my shop because I have potential customers that will come to buy things from here. So let's get back. So get back again. Okay, then the next option under these settings is page settings. So let's click and see what we have there. Then under page settings, you have start page, we have product list, we have product details, we have custom tools, and we have topics and about. So let's start with start page. So click on there. Then here you can see some information here. It said shops with a home page have better sales. Okay, that's our home page. customers get a concrete impression of you and your shop. This creates trust and can this creates trust and an incentive to shop. Select the elements you do like to feature and impress your customers with a professional appearance. Okay, so you can see activate start page is already enabled. So if for any reason yours is not enabled, please toggle on this button. Okay, just click on it and it's turned on. Then under teasers, so you can change the teasers by clicking on this pen icon. Okay, so on this teasers page, you can see excite customers with a fitting headline and a an alluring image to make them curious about your designs. Okay, so here if you want to upload an image, you can click here, look at the dimension, maximum of 1400 by 400 pixels and 400 kilobytes. What it means is that what design you want to upload as your own custom design should not be more than 400 kilobytes. Okay, and this is the dimension 1400 by 400 pixels. Okay, so here they provide you with some images you can use in this header area. So he said, I confirm that I am the owner of the copyright. That means if you're uploading your own image, so that's why you're confirming, all right, and you're maintaining the community standard. But here, under here, you can see some images they provide for us. For example, I'm using this because my store is all about tech. Okay, so I'm a tech channel content creator on YouTube. So that's why I have this as my own preview here, okay, in the heading area. Then if you want something different, you can click on that and it will change. Okay, you can see how it changed now. So it has changed the look of this. If I'm into food, I think it will be the best fit. But if you want something different, you can select this or click on this plus sign here to see more. So once you click on this plus sign, you can see a lot of images. If your store is about selling of books or anything that are related to statistics, okay, just choose anyone that fits into it, okay. But here, let me return back to where I was. So click on this for it to be selected and then click on save. So you see how this place will change. So any change you're making here will be reflected here, okay. This is the preview. So let's go down and see what we have here. Headline, Godwin Tech. That is what you have here. So if you want something different, if your own headline is showing something different, please click here and change it. Are you getting it? So depending on the name of your store. So here you can see short description. I say, welcome to Godwin Tech Store. Place an order. Okay, place another. So if I move this way, you will see it. Place another today. All right. So it's just something short. Don't come here and be telling stories. We have already told story in the previous general settings page. Okay. Then here you can see call to action option is turned off, but I like it turned on. So for you to turn on call to action, just click here and it's toggled on. So you will see how it will change here. You can see now when people visit, they don't need to scroll down to the page to see the products, okay? Just as you can see here. So once they land on the home page, they can click on shop now and then they will see all the products that I'm selling on my store. Okay, if you want to enable search bar, click here for it to be enabled as a call for action. I getting it? They can just type here and search for the products of their choice. But I'm okay with this button option so that they can take a look of all the products I have and then make their choices. Okay, you can see button here, it is shop now. If I want something different, I can change it. Maybe I want something like see more products. Just click here and type your text and everything will change here. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can see the shop ID here and the shop URL is hidden. If you want to copy it, copy and send to your friends. So they'll come over and then shop from your store. Then after these changes, any changes you want to make here, just click on save and everything is saved. So let's get back again. Okay, then the next option here under the start page, is about the shop. So if you want to describe your shop, click here and then describe everything about your shop. I've done that already from my own end. Okay. So if you want something different, or if you want to have a video, maybe you have a YouTube channel just like me, you want the URL to show here, just as you can see my own here, just type, go and copy the URL, paste it here. Okay. Then after everything, it will be replaced. Okay, so that is how it is, and this can be a source of traffic to your channel, to your YouTube channel. So it's cool. I love that. So let's get back to the previous page and see some other things we can change here. Okay, you can see products preview. That's another thing you can change to have a luxury store. So if you click here, you will see some options. So here, product preview shows some products, not all of them, some products you have on your shop. But if you don't want that to be displayed, maybe you're okay with the first page whereby they have to take action. Okay, go to action section, then you can toggle this off. Once you do that, you can see all the products are gone. But there's no need for me to do that. So I will toggle it on because it's important to me. Okay, so all the products are now back to their usual. Then let's get back again to see some other things we can change. The next one is follow us. Then you can click on this to change some things. If you want to add some follow us button, say turn your Spreadshop visitors into fans. Invite them to follow you on your social network. Okay, link social media. Okay, so click here and then get it in. All right, but here no need for that. So let's get back. Trust elements. So if you want to change some trust elements, just click here and then you can see here you can trust the quality, one of a kind, powered by pros, satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't want this to show on your store, toggle this off. But I don't see the reason why you would not want it to show because it builds the trust of your potential customers. So I'll toggle it on, okay? Then we get back to the previous page. So let's get back to the main settings. Okay, still on the page settings. Product list page. You can click on this to arrange your product list, the number you want it to be. So let's read this heading. Say your customers can see your whole product, your whole product range on your product list page. It puts customers on a journey to browse your products, topics, and categories. So you can see activate product list is already enabled. That's why you see these things here. Okay. But if you don't want it, toggle it off. But I don't see the reason why you shouldn't want it. Okay. Then items per page. 24 items are displayed per page. But if you want something different, click here and select maybe 48 or 96. But to me, the default 24 is fine. Then show filter, size and color is enabled. If you don't want that, toggle this off. But let me turn it on. I'm okay like that. Then show product name and prices. Good. Every product displayed by default comes with the price attached to it. So if there's any reason why you don't want the price to show up, please toggle this off. Okay, display items as products. If you don't want them to be displayed as products, you want them to be displayed as designs, click here and they'll be displayed as designs and not just products. Okay, so once they click, they will see the content of each of the designs. So listing all the products inside each of the designs, just as you can see here. But please, I want it to appear as products, so I will click on this and everything will return to normal now. You can see it has returned back to normal. Then sort mode, okay, product per design, 8. All right, I'm okay with that. Then under sort, you can see focus on products, focus on designs, and focus on product design mix. The product design mix is cool by me. But if you want something different, you check this button. Okay, maybe you want to have the option of focus on products. But I think the default option is okay. So let's go with the default option. Good. So that is good. Then sort design. If you want to sort your designs differently, just click here and follow the guide. Okay, sort product type. If you want to sort your product type differently, click here and then sort. Okay, arrange them differently. But the default settings is okay by me. So let's get back to the previous page. Okay, product details page. So click on that and change some things about that. You can see product details page. It says you decide what info you want to display on the detail pages of your products. Show additional products is turned on. If you want to toggle it off, toggle it off. Okay, but I'm okay with show additional products so that they can order after seeing a particular product, they will order other ones. So I'll toggle it on. Then show design suggestions. They will suggest some designs for you. Is also toggled on. Just as you can see here, some products here are suggested under more products. Then product ratings. Do you want each product to be displayed with ratings? These ratings are placed automatically by Spreadshop. So if you want that, you can toggle it on. And I believe there's no how you will get much negative reviews from here. You will not get much negative ratings because it's placed by Spreadshop. Okay, said product ratings said they refer to the quality characteristics the products, not the design, okay, of the products, not the design. So if you want that to show, toggle this on. In Amazon, as a self-publisher, this is one of the things we use to sell books when customers leave positive review. Okay, so you can see positive reviews coming from here. On average is 4.3 over 5. So it's cool. But I think I need to leave it at the default status, please. So maybe on my own convenient time, I can come back and talk with that on. Okay. So let's get back. Okay. So customize tools is another settings option here. So you click on it to see some things inside of it. Okay. You see, activate the customize tool so customers can add image or text to your products. Sometimes, if a customer buys a product and is not satisfied, he can upload the bad image under the review. So I don't want that. So that's why it's toggled off by default. But if you want that, no problem. Go on and activate customer tool. Okay, customize tool. Okay, so you can toggle it on. They have the right to do so. Upload image, upload text are all turned on automatically. Okay, add spreadshirt design. You can toggle this on. But please let me go with that off. Okay. Okay, topics. So click on that to see what you have inside. It says create and edit topics for your shop to help customers easily find your designs. If you want to create any topic, just click on this and then add any topic of your choice. Okay, so if you add once you add a topic here, you will see that on that topic is already created. But for now, I don't need that. So go back then about us, if you click this, you will see the about us section. Okay, you can see Godwin Tech offers quality products that meets the need of different genders. Okay, so you know when I set that up at the beginning. All right, so this is the about us section. So let's go back. Then we get back to the main page. All right. Then we have discussed this have discussed page settings. Appearance is another settings option you may need to customize to have a luxury shop. Okay. Then click on that to see what you have there. Then you have theme, you have logo, you have color and fonts. Okay. We have promotion appearance and we have model image and search field. By default, search field is not enabled in Shop, okay, in Spreadshop. But if you want it to be enabled, toggle this on and it will be enabled so that when customers come, they can easily search for any product they want to search for. Okay, so with this, they can just come and click here and search for any product they want. So I have enabled it. At least it will make some customers to easily navigate through the site. So if you want to add a logo, if your company has a logo, you can click here and then add the logo. If you want to change colors and fonts, that is the text color, just click here and then change the colors and fonts of your choice. Okay. Then theme, if you want to change theme, click here and change a new theme. and you will see some things that are displayed to you. It says you have a target group. We have the team. A single click gives you your shop the perfect design with functions to match. So if you want to add a new theme, select a different theme, click here. This opens a gallery of themes. Okay, so if you want to select it, just click on select. If you want to go with it, just click on select. Okay, so they have a lot of themes you can choose and you're good. Okay, then you get back to the previous page and then save. Okay, but here I'm okay with the default theme, so I don't want to change anything. Okay, so we get back again. So under promotion and appearance, you can change some things there if you have anything you want to change in terms of promotion appearance. Okay, but here I'm not promoting anything, so no need for that. But at least from here, you can go with standard or customize depending on what you want to do. Or if you have a background image you want to add, click here and then add it. But let me just get back, please. We are running out of time. Other images, so click here and select any model images of your choice. All these guys here are all models. Okay, they are all models. They are paid to have their pictures here. Okay, so if you get down here, you can see some other images I'm using on this site. Okay, so you can see these guys, they are all models. So anytime I create a product, I can have their faces show there. So these guys are selected by default, but if you don't want any of them, click and they will be deselected. But no problem. Please, I like them the way they are. Okay, so let me leave them how they are. But if you don't want any model images at all, just toggle this off. Okay, and everything will go off. Okay, you just see close without any person's face. So if you don't like the faces you're seeing, please toggle that off. But I like the faces I'm seeing, so I'm going to toggle it on. So I'll click here for it to be toggled on. Then we get back to the previous page. We are done with this appearance settings section, so we'll get back. Okay, so this is back to the main page, prices and promotion. That's the next step. So if you want to change some things about prices and promotion and promos, just click here and then shop price. Okay, so you can see the shop prices of all the items you have here. If you want to change it, you can change it whenever you're choosing a different product. Okay, there are some categories here. You can see sustainable products, men, women, kids, accessories, stickers. So if you click on any of them, the prices will display. You can make any change you want to make, and you are good to go and you save. All right. So let's get back to the previous page. We can see non-profit shop. You can see promo campaigns if you want to create any. Okay, so let's get back. The next area I want us to discuss is the advanced settings section. Okay, so this is some places you can change some things. So click on that. Then under here you have HTML and CSS. Don't go there if you're not experiencing coding. Then we have embed shop in website. Then you have social media icons. Okay, we have language and currency. So let's focus on social media icons. So when you click here, you can add some social media icons here. You can see social media icons turn your shop visitors into your followers on your social media. Add social media icons to your shop. So for example, I linked to this shop from YouTube. So the YouTube channel link is automatically placed here. I getting that. So maybe if you want to add your Facebook social media link or your Twitter or your TikTok, you can click on this. Then from here now select any social media platform you want to get to. So here we are working with Facebook. So I'll click on Facebook and select continue. Now you can see Facebook has been added, but I don't have the URL. So I'll visit my Facebook page and then pick the URL from there. I'm on the home page of my Facebook page. So I will click on Godwin Tech 247. That's the name. Okay, so this takes me to where I can copy the URL. So click here for it to be selected, Control C to copy, then get back to Spreadshop. Then here now I'll click on this and then add URL Control V. Then I'll click on save. With this, my Facebook page is now linked to this Spreadshop account. Okay, so these are how you can customize or redesign your Spreadshop website so that it will look luxury to attract more customers and give you more sales. Thank you. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if this guide helps, consider subscribing to my channel so that you learn more on what we dish out on this channel. Here we cover mainly technology topics. I mean, this in our world of today revolve around technology, so learn as much as you can. Leave a comment in the comment section so that I'll know how you feel about this content. Does it help you? So please drop that in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will share this content to more people, okay? So learn more on how to create products on online stores. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time. Peace.